Fashion Business School at London College of Fashion takes business and makes it fashion. By recognising fashion as an economically and globally important sector, our specialist courses explore the partnership between fashion and business, how they come together to shape trends, drive innovation and fuel economic growth. From marketing and branding to management and science, our courses teach you the fundamental business theories that you'd find in any traditional business degree. But we're fully focused on the global powerhouse that is the fashion industry.
If you're wondering what makes studying a business-orientated course at a specialist fashion institution unique, it's a fusion of creative insight with commercial strategy, equipping you with the skills to not only understand the fashion industry, but to shape its future.
You'll study all the disciplines and theories that any other business school would cover, but we always contextualise them with global examples from our dynamic industry. Our courses are accredited by leading bodies. That gives you added quality assurance and access to additional qualifications.
At the Fashion Business School, our expert teaching teams are a unique blend of industry practitioners and globally recognised scholars. We bring subjects to life and create an inspiring environment for you to launch your career in fashion.
What's more, you'll have access to outstanding facilities at our state-of-the-art campus located in the heart of Stratford, London. From our dedicated teaching and learning spaces, our industry-standard cosmetic science labs and visual merchandising studios, to a world-class library, our building has been designed to inspire creativity, to foster innovation and support every aspect of your academic journey.
Something you definitely won't find elsewhere is our dynamic student community. You'll be surrounded by like-minded individuals with opportunities for collaboration around every corner.
Creativity in our school often looks a bit different. We don't design for the catwalk, but our students are the innovators behind the visual merchandising displays you see in store, maybe the latest hair care product on the shelf, or the viral marketing campaign you shared on social media.
We're the commercial creatives, the entrepreneurs, data analysts, and consumer insight experts. We're all the roles that enable the fashion industry to grow, adapt, and thrive behind the scenes. Whilst what it means to be creative across our courses may vary, what remains the same is a truly diverse, industry-focused learning experience.
We are all about bringing the industry to you. So through visiting guest speakers from prominent names to real-life project briefs, opportunities to complete work experience as part of your degree, you'll develop the skills and knowledge to thrive in our fast-paced and ever-evolving global fashion industry.